Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about our workbench. One of the reasons why we built the workbench is because we needed a workbench. This is for our leather work. But also, it's because we went out and we bought a clicker press. And we loved the clicker press, but when it arrived, it came in this big box. We had no idea it was going to be so heavy. And so then we looked at each other and we said, where are we going to put this thing? The same week, it just so happened that we watched a video. And from that video, Quarter Leather, they have a video showing that they built the workbench. And when we seen the video, we was inspired and we said, hey, we can make a workbench also. And so guess what? We did it. And so as a result of that, today we're going to show you clips of how we made this table. And it was a lot of fun. So if you're interested in watching how we built this table, stay tuned. Where I got one at, where I got the other one at. Here and here, right? Okay,